How much of a good thing is too much? Ever thought about that? It's a question that may seem simple, but when it comes to the substances we consume, it can be a matter of life or death. Take sugar, for instance, a common ingredient we all enjoy. But did you know that around 13.5 cups of sugar, consumed all at once, can be lethal? That's about the same amount of sugar found in 72 cans of soda. And it's not just sugar. Even water, the most essential element for life, can turn deadly when consumed in excess. Drinking approximately 6 liters of water all at once can cause a condition called water intoxication, leading to potentially fatal complications. So, it's not always about what we consume, but how much we consume. It seems that even the most harmless things can become deadly when taken in excess. But what about substances that we already know are harmful? Let's talk about alcohol and caffeine, two substances many of us consume daily. Alcohol, for instance, is a social lubricant, a means of celebration, and sometimes a way to unwind after a long day. Yet, when overindulged, around 13 consecutive shots can potentially lead to fatal alcohol poisoning. Yes, you heard it right, just 13. While on the other hand, caffeine, the kickstarter for many of our mornings, holds its own dangers. Consumed in excess, it can be lethal. Imagine drinking about 75 cups of coffee all at once. Sounds unthinkable, right? But that's the amount it could take to push the body over the edge. It's astonishing to think that these substances, so commonly consumed, can be deadly when taken in large amounts. It's a stark reminder of the hidden dangers lurking in our everyday lives. When it comes to these substances, it's all about moderation. And then there are those substances that are deadly in even the smallest amounts. Let's take cyanide, for example. A mere 1 to 2 grams of this potent poison can be lethal to an adult. That's less than the weight of a single small paperclip. Now consider the botulinum toxin. This substance is even more deadly. Just 1 nanogram per kilogram of body weight can kill. To put it in perspective, a nanogram is 1/1000th of a gram. That's like comparing the weight of 1 grain of sand to a ton of bricks. Both of these substances are silent killers. They lurk in the shadows, their deadly potential hidden in their microscopic proportions. Yet, their potency is undeniable. They serve as stark reminders that it's not always the substance itself that poses the greatest risk, but the dose in which it is consumed. So remember, it's not just about the substance, but also the dose that makes the poison.